New state-of-the-art maritime simulators are preparing WA students for life at sea. The immersive technology giving a real sense of what it's like on a ship while staying on dry land.
Mon Maritime students here at South Metropolitan TAFE's Fremantle campus are using this world-class simulated technology to set themselves up for future careers in Border Patrol, Naval Defence and even our oil and gas industry. The new equipment provides students with the latest and most advanced maritime training on the Western Seaboard, enabling training for a broad range of operations including navigation, ship handling and manoeuvring.
We do encounter snow and heavy swell and heavy winds, and in here we're able to get an idea of how we're going to react, how the vessel's going to react in those specific conditions.
The technology is unlike anything educators have seen before, and it's tipped to play a big role in preparing students for the future.
To have this step at the final stages brings a lot of theory together and gives them an ability to have that skill set to move into industry.
We know that we need to set students up in Western Australia not only to meet our local skills demands but to future-proof those investments.
And it sort of gives us a place where we can fine-tune our skills without the added pressure of actually being on a ship.
Mon, this is a part of the McGowan government's biggest TAFE investment in history, setting students up for the careers of tomorrow.
Is your